Have you ever driven past a construction site and wondered how it all comes together? The plans, the people, the precision, and the leadership it takes to make it happen? That's construction management at the Bowen School of Construction. Construction management is where planning meets problem solving and leadership meets the job site. It's about taking an idea and turning it into something real, on time, on budget, and built to last. At Purdue University, you'll learn how construction projects move from concept to completion. You'll work with construction documents, scheduling, estimating, field operations, safety, and the technologies shaping the industry, including 3D modeling, virtual integration, and real-world simulations. This is hands-on learning every step of the way. You'll work on real projects, visit active job sites, learn from industry professionals, and graduate with extensive paid internship experience. You can study construction management in West Lafayette or in Indianapolis, placing you in the heart of a fast-growing construction market, with access to internships, apprenticeships, and industry connections that help launch your career. Graduates go on to become project managers, field engineers, superintendents, and leaders at some of the nation's top construction firms. Because construction isn't just about building structures, it's about building teams, communities, and futures. Ready to build yours? Your path starts here with the Bowen School of Construction at Purdue Polytechnic.